Hello guys, my name is Deepak and you're watching my show The Tough Art IG Deep. Here I share my some quotes about life and journey of life. So third is life will always beautiful as you decide to view it, starting with your eyes and ending in your heart. Fourth is we can only appreciate the miracle of sunrise if we have waited in the darkness. Fifth is you will never have this day again, so make it count. And most of the time, your limited thinking and belief limited your potential. God love for us never ending. Be you, that's why He created you. Stop waiting for approval, permission, and validation from others. Go live your life and chase your dreams and love like you have never lost. Cherish every moment. You only get one life. Don't allow something frustrate you. Every time you complain, take a step back and look at all the blessing in your life. Sometimes small memories cover large is part of our heart. Every smile, every loving words, every kind of action. This is reflection of the beauty of your soul. Your life is your canvas. Create a divine masterpiece. Listen to your soul. Soul older than your heart and wiser than your mind. Memories are timeless. Nobody is coming to save you. Get up and be your own hero. Day by day, I am training my heart to accept disappointed, even from people I love. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. 31st distance told me the really meaning of closeness. 32 sometimes this distance was easier than acting or explaining. And here is and so I discuss about this chords, what is meaning of this. So stay with me. So here we start. Sometimes distance was easier than acting or explaining. Yeah, here two-person and they live, but they have lots of problem in their life and communication and sometime of uh, easier, sometimes is hard. So easy and hard always give only stress and make complaints. So here is distance better, easier, better and easier, better and easier acting or explaining. With lots of acting and explaining our relationship. So distance is better than explaining or acting. Yeah, distance told me the really meaning of closeness. Sometimes distance, the feelings. Sometimes our distance create some kind of feelings, and when we distance from people, they realize why we break these closeness, and this closeness we feel after distance. So this is the main reason you need to analyze and active and positive thoughts we need. What is your life want? So that is the meaning of this uh, distance. Sometime important in life for frustrated or depressed or other things. So this is this is the meaning of life is important. Another one is let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. Let things whatever they like, they naturally flow in their way. So yeah, if life simply go and naturally naturally forward in whatever way they like. What is forward? If life forward naturally whatever they want, whatever the way they like. So yeah, if life forward with us same thing, so you have no complaint, no demand, and just you go fully with fun and like that. Day by day, I am training my heart to accept disappointment even from people I love. Day by day, I am training my heart to accept disappointed. Day by day, my heart disappointed, accept disappointed even from people I love. This is the true line. Day by day, if your day worst or bad, or people show his real face, so this is the main reason you need to leave that relationship and go after with your life. Go, just go, and and you never disappointed with your life and with people. So yeah, get up and be your own hero. So yeah, here is very important things. No one, just no one can decide, just no one can decide no one decide who you are. Actually you are. Everyone said you are a hero, you are warrior, you are king, everything. So yeah, you are your own hero. Get up and prove it. Nobody is coming to save you. Nobody can help you properly. And what is your mind? So you need to first be your own hero and accept it. Nobody can save you and nobody come for save you. So yeah, you need to fight alone, go alone, search search the way alone. Where is your road? Where is map? Just you go alone and be your best. Do your best in your life. Memories are timeless. Memories are timeless. When we spend when we when we spend sometimes and with good people and good person, they give you advice, they share they are thinking, their thoughts, their thoughts and everything. So yeah, when they share with your thoughts, you share your thoughts, they share their thoughts, and make complete relationship with them. So yeah, here is important to memories are timeless. Memories you create, wherever you create, is the memory is the timeless. So yeah, save your memory and enjoy and fun with them when you alone, and just create magic. Magic is important in your life. So yeah, magic is important in your memory. What he said in your mind, and what's not, just create it. Moment is, every moment is seriously important in your life. So yeah, memories actually work in your life. Memory important. Memory is important, and this memory make relationship or break relationship. So yeah, every time this give you power of right decision, right makers, right makes, and everything you want. The this belief only memory you have, and wiser than your mind. Listen to your soul older than your heart. Listen to your soul and save your soul, because your soul, actually your soul is want to pure and completely protected by you by your action, your thoughts, your eyes, what you see and what you speak. Just let it be. So yeah, memory is pure soul is important, and protect this, and listen to your soul. Always listen to your soul, what you want, what you not want to say, what you think, what you not think want to say. So yeah, what your heart says, what your gut says, what your mind said is important in your life. Soul older than your heart. Always listen to your soul, because soul older than your heart. Soul connected with your God, and God give you blessings, God give you help, God give you everything for this. For this battle you need to always always thank for God, and always pray to God what they want to say, and what you want to do. So yeah, God always help you, and soul older than your heart. You can listen to your heart, but better than if you connect with your soul, what you want, what they want to say, your soul. So yeah, you need to listen heart, but first listen to your soul, and wiser than your mind. Soul wiser than your mind, because soul always, because soul always inside you, and this this soul always, if your mind wiser and soul is old and pure, then right decision come from here, and this soul correct you what this soul want and what they don't want. So yeah, your life is your canvas, and create a divine masterpiece. Your life is your canvas, and create you with this divine masterpiece. Your soul, your life is your canvas, and you create with masterpiece. So yeah, if this is your soul, or this want, and this want, your life is canvas, and you want to create a masterpiece by your hand, by your thoughts, by your knowledge, and by your talent. So yeah, life is your canvas. This is reflection of beauty of your soul. This is the reflection of beauty of your soul. Your soul is inside. If your soul pure and peace, and your happiness, and with your smile, this work this work on your soul, and this is the reflection of your beauty of soul. So yeah, when soul when soul come from inside, and this is the reflect to your face, your thinking, your thoughts, and your eyes, beautiful eyes, what they want to see, things things, beautiful nature, beautiful river, beautiful mountain, everything they want to say is that is you need to you need to reflect them by your soul reflect the beauty of your inside, what inside you. If your soul happy and smile and blessed, everything reflect by beauty. Every smile is important in your life. So yeah, learn how to smile on your learn learn the process, learn the act like how you smile. When you smile, your heart pure and your heart feel pure and blessed, and with your eyes you can see different things, and your new word, and with your action you need to give better and better things. And this is the way when you go after your dreams, and you after good dreams, and after journey, after talent, after experience, you learn everything by your smile. every kind of action every kind of action is important. If you fear from take this risk, this is the action, but you pull back your hands. So yeah, every kind of action is important in our life. Whenever we don't do, we don't know how to do this, how to use it, and how to protect it. So yeah, this skill is important. Protect is, and every kind of action is important in our life. Sometimes small memories cover large this part of our heart. Sometimes small memories the part cover large things. Sometimes our memories Sometimes our small memories cover the large area of your part. And thing is, this is the part of your our heart. So yeah, small memories sometimes cover the bad memories, negative memories, and your mind just go go with your positive energy. And some kind of thinking is important is the some types of thinking is important, that is, you never go for wrong way or choose wrong things. So yeah, wrong for choose right thinking. You need to go with the right person, right habit, and law right law is important. Mhm. Every time you are complained, take a step back and look at all the blessings in your life. Every time you complain, this thing is, every time you complain, but thing is, you need to take a step back and think that you have blessings lot in your life. Yeah, sometimes you sometimes sometimes we complain of always, but when we take a step back and we realize we have a lot of blessings in our life, and and we have lots of happiness in our life. So protect it. Don't allow something frustrated for you. Don't allow same thing happen in your life. And you always, sometimes you don't allow same thing who hurt you many times. So don't give him chance to frustrate you in your life. Don't allow something frustrate. You only get one life. You have only one life. You get only one life. So live it fully and with your smile, with your hands, and with your stars, with your magic, and with your happiness. Smile and bloom your flowers. And and another note, but blessings is important in your life. So always blessed and do your work best. So everything look beautiful. Yeah, you only get one life, and cherish every moment. Love like you have never lost. If you have love and you love him lot, you never lost them anyway. If he if he go far from you, so if your friend or your partner far from you, so this distance make you bond, distance bond, but your relationship never break by distance, and your love always protected by you. When you always communicate with them, always think about you, this energy go one to two, two to one, and this is the right journey. When you stop, this is the right journey what you want, and this is the lesson of your life. Chase your dream. Your dream is important to chase. If you have dream, so go for it and chase them. If you have dreams and you want to chase them, so yeah, you need to go first. You need to go first and go and collect in this journey every moment, every blessings, every lessons, every experience you need to learn, and then chase your dreams by one step to two step to three four five six seven eight, and you need to make plans and go for it. Go live your life. If you have life, so you need to live your life by your action, by your smile, by your heart, by your smile, by your eyes, by your mind. So yeah, just live your life just fully. Don't be frustrated on others, and don't think about what they go and gossips about you. So yeah, if they gossips, then they are weak person and you strong person, because you are elephant and they only talks. So they box and you are elephant. So yeah, elephant always go with what where they want to go, just go. Stop waiting for approval, permission, and validation from your others. Stop. Just stop yourself. Stop yourself from validation, complaint, and approval and permission. Approval, permission, validation from others. So yeah, always think about this. Don't never stop yourself from validation, permission, or and approval. Don't be wait for it. So yeah, think about this. Be you. That's why he created you. Be you. Sometimes you never think who are you. So be you, and that's why God created you, or you created by yourself is important. God created you, and this is responsibility that you need to create yourself, and you never for and you never regret about this what will happen. and in your future, your past, your present, just happy, and happiness will created by you. Be you, that's why he created you. God loves for us never ending. God loves us, that's why their love never end. God always love us, God always love us, that's why he never end this. God love us, that's why he never God love us, that's why he never stop give us love. So yeah, this is the thing. Most of the time your limited thinking and belief limit your potential. Most of the time your limited thinking and belief limit your potential. Limited thinking, limited belief limit your percentage potential. Most of the time your limited thinking, your limited belief limit your potential thinking and what beliefs. So yeah, don't stop your thinking, don't stop your beliefs. So yeah, this not stop your potential. So break all the rules, just happy, just go, just fight, just stay strong. So yeah, don't don't sit with limited thinking and limited beliefs and not prove limit approval potential. Sorry, potential. You will never have this day again, so make it count. I want to say you will never have this day again. You will never have this day again, so make it count. You will never have this day never come back. So be happy for this and enjoy this and live for it. What you want to say, what you want to forget, just go and finish this and live your day. We can only appreciate the miracle of sunrise if we have waited in the darkness. If we have We can only appreciate the miracle of sunrise. We can only appreciate the miracle of sunrise if we have waited in the darkness. We can only appreciate we appreciate the miracle of sunrise. We can only appreciate the miracle of sunrise because if we have waited in the darkness, if we waited in the darkness, yeah, you have not this day again, so make it count. So yeah, live this day with your energy and your power, your potential. Just live your life because this day never come again. We can only appreciate the miracle of sunrise if we have waited in the darkness. Yeah. If life will always beautiful as you decide to view it, start with your eyes and ending with your heart. Life always beautiful and most beautiful and most life is more beautiful and more more colorful and magical, because when we view by eyes, this goes by heart, and your heart will more beautiful thinking, and this thinking your mind will heal from every problems and every phase and situation. So yeah, life so yeah, life is beautiful. Here I share some words. Yeah, so here is the end, and hope you think again about your life and your thoughts, so correct your thing and correct your mind. So yeah, this is the end. See you then. Okay, then bye bye.